Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Fabulously Nappy, and I'm back with another video. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. So today we're doing very short hair. This hair is about 1 inch or 1.5 inches at most. So the hair is relaxed. She relaxed the hair some time ago. We did finger waves, and now she came in for knotless braids. At first she was skeptical, but then I assured her we can get it done. So we're getting into it. So I shampooed the hair, moisturized, blow dried, and now we're going into braiding. So as you can see, I'm feeding in not the extensions or the braiding hair at the very first rotation. That's because the hair is really short and it's going to run out soon, and before that hair runs out I need to have something to hold on to. So I am feeding in the braiding hair at the very start so that before I run out of her natural hair I already have, the braiding hair to hold on to. I hope that makes sense. So I'm sorry the angle here is not really the best, but I'm going to switch it up after this, so just keep watching. So as you can see, I'm reducing that piece of braiding hair because a little too much, and you want to be mindful of the quantity of hair you put in because you don't want the braids looking bulky or looking, having a bulge rather. Yes, you don't want your braids having a bulge somewhere. So I had to reduce that piece so that when I feed it in, it has a seamless look, because that's what we're going for, a seamless progressive look from the base of the hair to the ends. So I'm just going ahead to braid. I know this part is sped up. I'm just going to slow it down in a bit so you can actually see what I'm doing. So I just went ahead to comb my product into the hair, then into the piece of hair that I want to braid. Then I split that piece into 3 legs. And before doing my first rotation, like I said, I feed in my first piece of braiding hair. Then I do my first rotation. Now, since the hair is really short, I had to make sure to grip it well, and to do that, I had to braid underhand. So I typically braid underhand for short hair, and for longer hair, I braid overhand for say 5 or 6 passes or rotations before I switch it up. So after doing my first rotation, I feed in my second piece of braiding hair and then do my second rotation, making sure that I have a good grip on her natural hair. You don't want to let it go, okay? So after doing my second rotation, I go ahead to put in my third piece of braiding hair, and then I do my third rotation. And you just want to keep feeding in hair till you get your desired size of braids, and make sure you're feeding in small quantities of hair so that you don't get the hair like a bulge, you have a seamless look. Okay, so I'm just feeding in the hair piece by piece. I already sectioned out my pieces of hair before my client came in, so I'm just picking up and braiding. So this is me braiding in real time. The video is not sped up, and I feel like I braid slow. So if you're a professional braider and you braid fast, please drop a tip down below which I can use to improve my speed, my braiding speed. I really need it. If you have any tips for me, please just leave it down in the comment section. So I'm just braiding, and I'm typically just going to repeat this same process throughout the hair, for braiding each section. So for short hair, I'm going to leave a tip. For short hair, you want to use a thicker hair gel. So here I'm using hair wax because it's thicker and it helps me have a better grip. Shine and Jam is good, but then it's kind of oily. So for short hair, especially hair that is relaxed or very fine, is going to be very slippery to grip. So what I do is, for short hair, I use just hair wax, and for longer hair, I would use hair wax at the base to help me have a good grip, and then for the braid down, I use Shine and Jam. Okay, so I hope that helps someone out there. So I'm just braiding. Yep. So at this point, if you haven't already liked the video, please like, drop a comment down below if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, or if you have any requests, like if you'd like to have a detailed up close video on how to do knotless braids or how to feed in braids. Please just let me know down in the comment section and I'll create that video for you. So I'm just braiding. Also, I wanted to give a big shout out to my subscribers. Thank you guys so much. We hit 500 plus subscribers. Yay! So we're over 500. I think right now doing this video we're at 521 subscribers, I think. Yes, at the point in which I'm editing this video we're at 521 subscribers. So let's keep the number going up, because 1,000 subscribers is the next step. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure that you hit that subscribe button to subscribe. I think I'm going to do a little giveaway. I'm not sure yet because I don't know what I would be giving away. But either ways, please hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and share as well. So after braiding, I just went ahead to put in the beads. I did put the beads off camera, and after that I'm just going ahead to dip the braids in hot boiling water to relax the braids, making more flowy. And then I'm moisturizing her scalp, because no client leaves our chair with a dry scalp. No ma'am, no sir. After that I did her edges, boom mousse, sheen spray, and boom, this is the finish. Like, look at that smile. That smile is priceless. Okay, and look at that hair. Short hair, don't care, and that's on period. If you'd like to book an appointment with us, please check the link down in the description box. It's going to be there. Click the link to book an appointment. We're available. If you stayed up to the end, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Get you out of my mind.